Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I kind of figured I would do a shop my makeup stash and just kind of like dig into my collection and just kind of put some makeup and talk to you guys. I haven't filmed in a while and just kind of figured I'll just sit here and just kind of talk with you guys and just play catch up. Excuse me if I'm rambling because I have not filmed in over 3 months, so I kind of feel like I'm a little bit rusty, but I kind of feel hopefully the training wheels will eventually come off and it will feel like second nature. So that is the plan for today's video. All right, going into my eyes, I'm just going to take the Color Story Decadence eyeshadow palette. You guys know I love this eyeshadow palette. Really pretty, like warm tone color scheme in here, and I'm going to keep the makeup look really simple, maybe all of 1 or 2 shadows. So again, just gonna keep it really beginner friendly. So I think the last time I filmed on my channel was back in October, and I really feel like you guys haven't missed too much. Couple things happened, but not much happened. So Tristan is now 1 and he is walking and doing amazing, and I just can't believe the time has flown by in terms of me now having a 1-year-old. So Tristan is 1, Trey is still 3, he'll be turning 4 in April, so it's right around the corner, and I cannot believe I'm going to have a 4-year-old, and time is just honestly going by super fast. I want to say me stopping, or I guess putting a pause on filming, it was kind of intentional, but at the same time it wasn't intentional. I just kind of feel like, I don't know, like I just needed a moment, and it's kind of hard to explain if you are me, if that makes sense. I just kind of feel like with being a mom and working a full-time job, and with holiday season coming up and trying to maintain YouTube, I just kind of felt like I just needed a moment, and I just wanted to kind of be present during holiday season in terms of for the boys, and just be present for them and be present with them versus kind of like working and then filming and just kind of like popping up whenever I can pop up. So that was pretty much just my mindset in terms of like why I kind of stepped away from YouTube, stepped away from filming, and I just really needed some personal time, some me time. And I will say I am not the best person when it comes down to taking time out for me, and that's something that I told myself I'm going to kind of focus on this year. Is just more me time, more self-care time, and just taking some time out for Saida, because I kind of feel like I just tend to like give, and I don't really give for me, if that makes sense. So that was one of the reasons why I kind of like, you know, I put a pause on YouTube and just enjoyed life, enjoyed holiday season, and just enjoyed being present with my family, and I really enjoyed it, and I feel refreshed. I feel like I am ready to give 2021 on YouTube everything that I have to give. So I'm definitely excited to be back. I do plan on switching up some of the content on my channel, not too much, but just a little bit, just to kind of give my channel some variety and just kind of film some videos that have been piquing my interest lately. So that I'm definitely excited for. I still will have like my beauty content, but for the most part I just want to kind of have like some variety on my channel. So super excited about that. Alright, diving into my face, I'm just going to take the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. If you guys haven't tried this primer yet, you guys are definitely missing out. It's a great dupe to the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know I did not like that primer at all. I could not understand the hype with that primer, but I mean, I do have dry skin, so I just kind of felt like it kept balling up on me every time I attempted to use it, and feel like this is definitely a great option if you have dry skin and you want to give that primer a try. So I have definitely been enjoying this primer a lot, and it feels so good on the skin, especially with it being cold outside. The primer feels cold as well, so it feels really nice. And excuse my skin right down here, my face is breaking out from wearing a mask. which I'm pretty sure we're all having that problem. But luckily, like, my cheeks is doing really well. It's just right here that's acting a little bit crazy. So all right, just gonna take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation and use it as my foundation for today. What else have I missed out on telling you guys? So I do have a new job, which is pretty exciting. It's gonna be a month coming up shortly that I have been there, and so far so good. Still kind of early to, you know, really say what I think or how I feel, but so far so good. Just gonna take my sponge and pretty much just push the product in. So right now I'm currently pre-filming a bunch of videos, so I'm not sure like in what order I'm gonna upload the videos. So you guys might see like other videos posted before this video. Again, I'm not sure how I want to post it yet. It just kind of depends on how everything else flows. But again, you might see this video after I post a couple other videos. But during my time away from YouTube, like, would you guys believe me if I told you I haven't purchased like any makeup products during my time away from filming videos? I pretty much would just go to like the drugstore and just get everything else that I need that was non-beauty related, and it just felt weird, but at the same time it felt kind of like liberating not spending all my money on makeup products. So that was quite nice. So I kind of felt like when I was actually shopping for new makeup to come back to film, it just felt very different. And I kind of felt like I'm behind the 8 ball, because there have been so many like makeup launches and releases, but at the same time it's not as much as it has been in the past couple of years. So that was kind of nice. So I didn't really feel like overwhelmed shopping for new makeup product. But yeah, your girl did not purchase anybody makeup during that time frame, so definitely be on the lookout for some new makeup videos coming soon. Still gonna be drugstore related because your girl loves to shop on a budget, so definitely stay tuned for that. Again, by the time you guys see this, I may have already posted a new makeup tutorial, but yes, definitely excited for playing in new makeup and just finding some new products for 2021 that I'm going to love. Definitely excited about that. And I just used my Collab No Flaws Liquid Concealer in the shade called Mocha, which look like this. So yeah. All right, and then for my under eye powder, just gonna take the Believe Beauty translucent powder and just put like the tiniest amount under my eyes. And for the rest of my face, just gonna take the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color called Warm Hazelnut. You guys already know this is still a Holy Grail product. Nothing has changed since not being on camera. Still a Holy Grail product for me. So just gonna apply that all over my face. All right, moving on into my bronzer. I'm just going to take my Morphe. It's going to be the Brontour-Showmance and use it as my bronzer for today. Just going to mix both of the two colors. And then for blush, just gonna take the CoverGirl True Blend brush, the CoverGirl True Blend blush in So Flushed. And here's what the color look like, and apply it to my cheeks. Alright you guys, and then for my bronzer, just gonna take the LA Color bronzer. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, and I want to say I maybe mentioned it to you guys like once in a haul or vlog, don't remember, but I have yet to use it, so I kind of figured I'll just pull it out for today's video and just see how I like it. I also have a lighter version which looks like this. I thought it would be really cute for like the inner corner of my eyes. Hopefully it's not too light, but I definitely figured this would be a good option for a highlighter. Let's see, where is the pigment? There we go. Look at that. I haven't tried it before, so it's definitely a first impression on this product. But for $1, it's not bad for $1. It's not like amazing either, but it's not horrible for $1. It definitely is getting the job done. So and then for my lips, I'm just going to take the LA Colors lip liner pencil in the color called Chocolate to line my lips. I also have the LA Colors High Shine lip gloss in the color called Wink. It's super light, but I kind of figure with the brown lip liner, hopefully it looks good. And I also have the LA Colors lip oil on my lips called Honey Bun. It actually feels really moisturizing, and it was super inexpensive. I got it from Five Below, and it definitely had my lips feeling really nice and prepped. So that was a nice little find. And do you guys like my hair? I know it looks kind of like a little rough, but I actually did it myself. I attempted to do it by myself, just some passion twist. It's actually over a month old, so I honestly need to just go ahead and take it out and redo it. But I think for like my first initial try, it turned out really good, but again, it is a month old, so it's time to retire it. I'm just going to take my Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray and just spray my face. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and kind of like chit-chatting and just kind of, you know, seeing where I have been. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to give it 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.